Hello everyone, I am Shirin Revilla from Leyte Normal University, Tacloban City. This vlog is for educational purposes only and a course requirement of our subject, Building and Enhancing Literacies across the curriculum. You might ask on what would be the content of this vlog. We will tackle about what is coronavirus or COVID-19 and what is the scientific nature and origin of COVID-19. We will also discuss what are the symptoms and ways to prevent the said virus. Without further ado, let's start. What is coronavirus or COVID-19? Coronavirus or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. They come up with its name because of its appearance as what they have seen under the microscope. It looks like they are covered with pointed structures that surrounds it like a corona or a crown. How did coronavirus start and where did it came from? In the public mind, the origin story of coronavirus is that the virus came from bats. Someone at the famous seafood market in Wuhan, China was infected with the virus from an animal. The possibility that the descendant of the virus jumped into humans and then adapted as it was passed from human to human. The first known severe illnesses caused by coronavirus emerged with the 2003 Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome or SARS epidemic also in China. Both are types of coronaviruses, but COVID-19 seems to spread faster than the 2003 SARS and also may cause less severe illness.
This is a very large outbreak. This is Dr. Bill Schaffner. I'm an infectious disease specialist and public health person. Coronaviruses are a whole family of viruses. For the most part, they don't cause any real clinical illness except the occasional cold. From time to time, there's a rogue coronavirus that develops. We remember SARS 2000 and 2003, and then there was another, the MERS virus, the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome virus. This new virus, like those other rogue viruses, probably was first transmitted to humans from animals.
A second outbreak of severe illness began in 2012 in Saudi Arabia with the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome or MERS.
So the symptoms resemble influenza. It's a respiratory virus initially, and so you have fever, not feeling very well, cough, and feeling poorly. We don't have a direct anti-coronavirus treatment. We can manage the patients through symptomatic care and supportive care, of course. Many patients already, the Chinese have said, have survived this infection. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention have this top of the mind. So there are laboratories around the world, including our own National Institutes of Health, that are now already working on developing a rapid diagnostic test. The other thing they're doing is starting to work on a vaccine. The global community is really watching this with great care, and we in the United States definitely are on the alert and ready to respond.
And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Bye!